Hello, this is Abby Ben David, and I want to show you quickly when you have a double door kind of a situation. Usually it's very delicate for break-ins because the bad guys can reach those bolts from the inside, from the outside, even when the door is closed. So let me show you. Or let me close this door a second. I just want to do like this. So look at this. When the door is closing, even though we lock in the deadbolt, you can always get, a burglar wouldn't really give a damn too much about the door, so he's basically going to push that area and the lower part where those bolts are. And as you can see, just me pushing with my knee, I can already get access to the bolt. So what happened is they pulling the bolts, the top one and the lower one, and they basically having a door that will be spread open regardless of how good the lock is. So in this case, what we do, we simply installing surface bolts, one at the top and one at the bottom. That way we never really rely too much on those bolts that's sitting at the edge of the non-active door, and that way we secure in the place a lot better.